Preparing for civil services? Don't just study. Study the self-study way. Get in-depth subjects and detailed topics built for prelims, mains, and interview. All content is curated by top educators, making your learning focused and exam smart. Stay ahead with topics linked to current affairs, interactive lessons, and live updates. Subjects are neatly divided into categories and subcategories, with topics connected to related concepts for clarity. Self-study, UPSC IS Prep App, the go-to app for every aspirant. Anyone, anytime, anywhere.
Seychelles has officially joined the Colombo Security Conclave as its sixth full member. This decision, taken during the 7th NSA-level meeting in New Delhi, marks a major boost to regional security cooperation in the Indian Ocean. The CSC began in 2011 as a trilateral maritime security platform between India, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. It was revived in 2020 and has since expanded. Mauritius joined in 2022, Bangladesh in 2024, and now Seychelles in 2025. The CSC focuses on maritime safety, counterterrorism, anti-trafficking operations, cybersecurity, and disaster relief cooperation. With Seychelles joining, India strengthens its SAGAR vision, expands its maritime reach, and promotes a rules-based order in the Indian Ocean. Seychelles, a 155-island archipelago, sits on key global trade routes and plays a frontline role in anti-piracy operations. Its inclusion enhances regional stability and deepens India-Seychelles maritime partnership.